How to fix YouTube link thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. For demo, let me open YouTube and select a video. Tap share icon and now choose WhatsApp and send it to a user. Tap send icon at bottom right corner. In case if the thumbnail doesn't appear, the issue might be a bug in WhatsApp or YouTube. To fix it, you simply need to open settings on your mobile device. Scroll down and navigate to apps. Tap on app management. Look for WhatsApp. Tap to open it and access app info. Select storage uses and tap on clear cache. After that, you need to come back and do the same for YouTube application as well. Open the app info, select storage uses and tap on clear cache. This removes any bugs and should fix the issue. And that's it. Hope this helped. Please like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.